Lesson 1. Changing in seasons. What does season refers to? If the shape of the earth was flat, not round, what would happen to seasons? What would happen if the earth was not tilted at 66 1/2 degree but was standing on a straight line? How is earth divided? What are the causes of season change? Why doesn't the equatorial belt experience seasonal change throughout the year? Lesson 2. Weather and climate. What is weather? What does climate refer to? Differentiate between weather and climate in points. What is weather forecasting? What are the factors that affect climate? Lesson 3. Factors affecting temperature on the earth. What does temperature refer to? Why are the places near the equator always hot? Why are the places near the poles always cold? The southern slope of hills of Nepal is warmer than its northern slope. Give reason. Why is Nepalganj much hotter than Taplejung though both lie at the same latitude? Why is there neither hot nor cold in Britain? Mount Kilimanjaro of Africa is located near the equator, but its summit is covered with snow. Give reason. There is always hotter in Malaysia and cold in Siberia. Why? Lesson 4. Climate change. What is meant by climate change? What is greenhouse effect? What is the main cause of climate change? Write any 2 effects of climate change. Write a letter to your friend mentioning the ideas to reduce temperature of the world. What are the cause and effect of climate change? Lesson 5. Latitudes and longitudes and their effects. What is latitude? What is longitude? What is antipode? What does the equator refer to? What does prime meridian refer to? What is the latitude of the equator? How many latitudes are there in the earth? Write any 2 advantages of longitudes. Write any 2 advantages of latitudes. What is the international dateline? What is antipode? Lesson 6. Districts and zones of Nepal. When was Nepal divided into 5 development regions? When was Nepal divided into 14 zones and 75 districts? How many districts are located in the Himalayan region? How many districts are located in the hilly region? How many districts are located in the Tarai region? Name the zones of Nepal that have border with China only. What are the zones of the Nepal which are connected with the border of India only? Lesson 7. Map and scale. What is a scale? Why is a scale necessary in a map? What happens if there is no scale in a map? What is verbal scale? What is representative scale? What is statement scale? What is graphical scale? What is representative fraction scale? Sketch the full page map of Nepal and divide into 7 provinces and insert the following facts with appropriate index. Tea production area: Birganj, Kaligandagi River, Sarkadwari, Rara Lake, Dhangadi Industrial Area. Sketch the full page map of Nepal and divide into 7 provinces and insert the following facts with appropriate index. Kanjirwa Himal, Tiliso Lake, Cotton Production Area, Bhairava, Narayani River, Makalu Barun National Park. Sketch the full page map of Nepal and divide into 7 provinces and insert the following facts with appropriate index. Gunas Mount Range, Rapti River, Lumbini, Cardamom Production Area, Langtang National Park, Biratnagar. Sketch the full page map of Nepal and divide into 7 provinces and insert the following facts with appropriate index. Dipail, Phoksundo National Park, Mainapokhari, Sugarcane Production Area, Gadimai Temple, Arun River. Sketch the full page map of Nepal and divide into 7 provinces and insert the following facts with appropriate index. Pathivara, Oilseed Production Area, Balaju Industrial Area, Siddhartha Highway, Rara National Park, Mount Saipal. Sketch the full page map of Nepal and divide into 7 provinces and insert the following facts with appropriate index. Mahakali River, Araniko Highway, Chiton National Park, Jute Production Area, Mount Dhaulagiri, Nepalganj. Sketch the full page of map of Nepal and divide into 7 provinces and insert the following facts with appropriate index. Dharan, Suklaphat Wildlife Reserve, Bhimdatta Highway, Ginger Production Area, Trisuli River, Ram Janaki Temple. Sketch the full page of Nepal and divide into 7 provinces and insert the following facts with appropriate index. Annapurna Conservation Area, Dadeldhura, Banepa Bardivas Road, BP Road, Pua Khola, Hydropower Project, Phaplu Airport, Dashrath Chand Municipality. Draw a rectangle having 20 cm length and 12 cm breadth and sketch a map of Nepal within it and show the following facts using appropriate symbols. Janak Himal, Simikot Business Center, Adikhola Hydro Project, Chandranath Temple, Jiril Caste Settlement Area, Simra Airport. Sketch the full map of Nepal and insert the following facts with the appropriate index. Chepang Settlement, Yak Rearing Area, Triyuk River, Tobacco Production Area, Chorolpa Lake, Dorpadan Hunting Area.